definitely the thermal conductivity is higher. Now, we are coming to the QR time. What is the QR time? QR time means cross-linking time or setting of the polymer, right? How much time it will take to cure that article? And I told you in a thermosetting molding, this operation, curing operation, it takes the higher time because here the chemical reaction take place, the chains are get cross-linked by the covalent bonds, that is called as a chemical bond. These things cannot happen in the thermoplastic material because all thermoplastic chains, they are physically bonded. There may be van der Waals forces, there may be dipole-dipole moments, there may be hydrogen bonding in case of the thermoplastics material. And that's why we are recycling thermoplastics material and we are not recycling thermoset material. Why we are not recycling? Because they are cross-linked material. And this cross-linking, I'm telling you, that is called as a curing. And here now we are talking about the cure time. What is the time required to cross-link or to cure or to harden the article? Therefore, friend, here the polymerization or the time required for the chemical reaction to complete the chemical reaction, that is called as a cure time. Therefore, time taken for complete polymerization in case of a thermoset polymer, that is called as a cure time. So, friend, I told you there are many molders. Now, see, the skill is always with every molder, right? The processor, some are giving a very good article because of the at lower pressure also. And also the fault-free articles. There should be not a warpage or blister mark, right? It should be having a good surface appearance. This can be done by the due to the skill of the operator. So, friend, I told you yesterday only the resin system play very important role. We are post-bake cycle are also used in case of a thermoset material. What is a post-bake cycle, friend? Post-bake cycle is nothing but if the curing is not proper, if the polymerization is not proper means not complete, not 100%. And therefore, if it is not 100%, then we have to use the next again heating of the article that is called as a post-baking. We are keeping that article in the oven for to get the complete cross-linking of the article. And this thing maybe, happen. But nowadays, by practice, the processor know this very well and they give a sufficient time to curing in the process only. Friend, the curing time varies, depends upon, or it have a variables. Which are the variables which affect the curing time? Material temperature. What is the material temperature? Preheat temperature, you can say. Or the material temperature means how it, uh, that help to conduct the heat, the structure of the polymer. Then mold temperature, it also affect the curing time. Material type, which type of material? What are the ingredients present in the material? What type of hardener you have used for the curing? Friend, part cross section also play very important role in this case. How big part, how big article, then molding pressure, and the material preheat and use of preform. आप preform यूज कर रहे हैं या ग्रेन्यूल यूज कर रहे हैं या पाउडर यूज कर रहे हैं, that also affect the curing time. Therefore, these are the factors.
मतलब प्रीफॉर्म का मतलब क्या रहता है?
Preform का मतलब, I told you, suppose हम लोग पाउडर डालते हैं मटेरियल के अंदर by spoon. Every time you have to take a spoon, put in that pot which have a powder. Again, you have to pour that in the mold, female mold, and this is not an accurate weight. And there may be, that the spoiling of the mold while putting that. Therefore, we're always giving some tablet where that powder convert into a tablet or a preform. The tablet is called as a preform. Therefore, by volume wise, it goes decreases, right? Tablet, there you can just take the, count the 4 tablet or 5 tablet required for the article. Take that 5 tablet only and put in the mold like that. Are you getting me, friend? Hello?
यस सर.
Hello? Ah, that
यस
day
सर.
I was that day I was shown you the video also, how the tablets are manufactured. That video shows how the tablets are made from the powder, and that tablet is nothing but the preform. Okay, this is the preform for the thermoset material, right? Are you getting me? Hello?
Yes sir, we are getting.
Yeah, yeah. Now, preheated material generally flows more rapidly because it is already heated during the molding process. And if the temperature increases, the time of the complete the cure in the mold cavity is a shortened. Therefore, already you have a material heated, and if you increase the temperature, elevated means higher temperature. If you increase the higher temperature, then the curing time less, the curing time decreases. And this is the economical because of cycle time goes on decreases. Because if the curing time, I told you, the curing time is the maximum time in the molding cycle. If you decrease the curing time, definitely the production will be higher because cycle time less. Another source of heat input to the plastic during the molding process is from the frictional or shear heat during the closing of the mold. Friend, when you close the mold, you are just applying the pressure and heat to the material inside the mold. Due to this compression molding, the material is forced into the flow by the closing action of the mold. And this flow may be at fairly high localized velocities, which impart a certain amount of frictional heat energy to the plastics. Therefore, by only the closing, because of we are applying the pressure and temperature there to the mold, and due to that high pressure, there is a frictional heat generated, and that frictional heat contribute for the heating of the material. Therefore, friend, see the you are also supplying the heat to the mold, and this secondary heat, frictional heat, and third part is pressure. Due to that, the material get immediately softened and it start to cross-linking. Now, we just see here the comparison between compression molding and transfer molding. See, friend, here, The slide is visible to you, friend. Hello, hello.
Yes, sir, we are getting.
Yeah, yeah. See here how you compare the compression with the transfer mode, loading the mode. That means loading the mode means you are charging the mode. You are putting the material. Here, powder or preform we are using in a compression molding press. And here mode is open that time because the upper part is open. The core is at the upper side and the cavity is from the lower side because mode is open and we are putting the material there, adding the material in the mode. But in case of a transfer molding machine, if you see the mode, it is a closed condition while loading the material. Therefore, from the top transfer or maybe there is a pot, due to the action of the plunger and the pot, the material pass through the mold. Here is the mode is closed condition. Therefore, friend, mode open at the time of loading. Yes, material position for optimum flow. You are getting optimum flow there. Here, RF heated preforma placed in a transfer pot because the preforma also we have to heat. We have to heat that, and therefore that preheat is called as a preheat. We are heating that preforma before passing into the pot. Material temperature before molding. This is another factor. Here cold powder or maybe preform in a compression molding. Here in transfer molding, radio frequency heated preform 250 to 280 degree Fahrenheit. We have to heat that. In this case, in compression, 220 to 280 degree Fahrenheit. Molding temperature in case of a compression, 350 to 450 Fahrenheit. In transfer, 290 to 390. Because of the temperature may be increased in transfer molding because of the shearing action. Pressure. If you see the pressure, maximum pressure required for the compression molding, 2000 to 10,000. Minimum 3000 required pound per square inch. In case of a transfer molding, pressure required 2000 to 6000 psi. The friend, transfer molding require higher pressure than the compression molding process. Here, one rule is there at 700 psi for each inch of the part depth. This is a one type of that thumb rule. 700 pounds per square inch for inch each inch of the part depth. Here in this case, transfer molding clamping ram minimum tonnage should be 75% of load applied by the plunger on the mold. Now, breathing. If you see the breathing, friend, I told you breathing is we are providing only for the compression molding, frequently used to eliminate gases and reduce the cure time. Here, in transfer molding, it is not possible because of mold is always closed condition. Once the mold closes through the pot, the material passing to the mold. Therefore, here it is not possible. Then I told you yesterday, if breathing is not possible in transfer molding, what we are doing? We are providing vent, very small diameter. Through that vent, the gases come out. Therefore, in compression molding, breathing required. In transfer molding, we are providing the vent. Breathing is not possible in case of a transfer molding process. Now, next point is cure time. Now you know that the curing time may be higher in case of the compression molding. 30 to 300 seconds. It also vary with mass of material, thickness of part, and the preheating temperature. In case of a transfer molding, 45 to 90 seconds. Also, it vary with the geometry of the part.
Sir, one doubt. If I compare transfer molding and injection molding, which one having less time?
Injection molding always less.
Okay, less time. Okay.
Ekdam, very less. But there we are not going to use the thermoset material. That machine, yes, we are also using injection molding for thermoset, but we have to design that machine in different way. I will take that also, don't worry. Generally, people are asking, Arey, thermoset cannot process on the injection molding machine. Many times this answer is no, but yes, it is available. Now this machine is available for thermoset material also. But you have to change some, that screw, barrel, something you have to do changes there. Mold also you have to changes. I will tell you everything. I have that.
Thank you,
Cure
sir.
time. Yeah, yeah. Cure time. I told you cure time is always higher for compression than the transfer molding. Size of piece moldable. In case of the compression, limited size. जैसा कैपेसिटी रहेगा प्रेस का उतना ही. Here, about 1 pound maximum in case of transfer molding. Because here we are providing a different type of articles. No, thickness may be vary. But in case of a compression, thickness should be a uniform, even. Then use of insert. This is the main advantage of the transfer molding. Here, use of insert, not possible. But in case of the transfer molding, you can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inserts, not to worry. And therefore, all complex switches, Siemens industry,
Sir,
Compton.
insert we can put in compression molding also, sir. I think.
No, no, no.
Sir, we have made the part, sir, that in that we put the insert, sir. Through SMC compression molding yesterday we discussed.
SMC you can put. SMC
Yeah.
we can put by changing the, by putting the, part in the initial mode, right? Starting me. Is it possible? It is possible, but complex. I'm asking about the complex shape. Compression press
Yeah,
में
currently you're
compression.
talking about the insert, okay, agree. But undercut not possible, that I agree.
Yes, compression is possible. Even if you take a box, you can make the insert, no problems. But in case of the here, or maybe tray type shape रहेगा, it is possible in case of a compression molding machine. But in case of a transfer, it is not possible. It is possible in many ways in case of a transfer
Yeah,
molding machine.
but if I talk about undercut, I think now facility developed that advanced technology slider is also possible in SMC compression molding.
Yeah, yeah. It is a split type mode we are using for that. Split type mode.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Now, tolerance and finished product. You are getting a fair to good in case of a compression molding. And if you see, there are three to four types of the mode also: flash mode, positive mode, semi-positive mode, right? So you are getting the a good article in case of the positive type of mode, in case of a compression molding. But in case of a transfer molding, yes, it's possible. Very good tolerance in case of the transfer molding. Now shrinkage. Shrinkage is the least in case of a compression molding, friend. Minimum होता है. What is the shrinkage? I told you. Change in dimension. Very less. Maybe 0.003, 0.002. But in case of a compression transfer molding, greater shrinkage will be there, higher than the compression molding. This is a drawback of the transfer molding process. Anybody can tell me why shrinkage is higher here in case of a transfer molding? Because here is the material passing through pot due to the higher pressure of the plunger. Therefore, material has to pass from the pot by the pressure of the plunger through the sprue, then runner, then gate, and then it has to reach to cavity. Therefore, there is a lot of orientation take place. What orientation? Orientation of the chains of the polymers. And due to that, there is a alignment of the chains. Orientation means it is nothing but the alignment of the molecule in the direction of force. Lot of alignment will take place. And therefore, you know that shrinkage is nothing but it is the it is due to the alignment of the molecules. It is a relaxation process of the oriented molecule. Therefore, जितना ओरिएंट करेंगे उतना उसका क्या हो जाएगा? श्रिंकेज हो जाएगा. But you ask the in injection molding also, there is a higher shrinkage due to the alignment of the molecules.
Sir, which one having more shrinkage, injection molding or transfer molding?
Shrinkage, more shrinkage is the transfer molding.
Sorry, sir, come again, sir.
Transfer molding.
Transfer molding more shrinkage, right?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now I am showing some video to you. Just go through this.
Sir, voice is not coming, sir. Video voice is not coming.
Hello.
Video voice is not coming.
No. Voice is not there. Hello.
No, yeah, no voice is there for that video.
Huh.
There is no music of the video.
1 minute. Hello.
Yeah,
Hello.
not yeah, we can hear you. We can hear you. But
Yeah. Okay.
there is no audio of the video.
Acha, the voice is not there.
No voice is there for that video which you are playing.
1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Hello, sir. Are you there, sir? Sir, we can't hear anything.
Hello. 1 minute. I'm the addressing the things. Wait. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yeah. Hello. Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Is it the sound is there of the video?
Yeah, sound was coming.
Yeah.
But now,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
now it
Okay.
is coming.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Recognized as a premier supplier to the chemical industry, J.A. Harrison & Co.'s dedicated PTFE and engineering plastics facility gives us a complete in-house capability to produce a wide range of components, as well as semi-finished billets. Our polymers are purchased strictly from world-recognized manufacturers. Unlike thermoplastics, the viscosity of the gel above the melting point is too high for PTFE to be processed by traditional methods, such as injection or transfer and rotational molding. The process includes 3 systematic steps. One, compression of the powder at ambient temperature. 2, sintering. 3, slow cooling. J.A. Harrison can supply filled or unfilled PTFE. Contact J.A. Harrison today by calling 0161 832 2282 or by emailing enquiries@jaharrison.co.uk.
Hello, friend. This video, just you have seen here, this material is a polytetrafluoroethylene. That means, hello, am I audible? Hello.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Huh. So, friend, this we are also called it as a Teflon, right? The trade name in the market, Teflon, and the chemical name is polytetrafluoroethylene, PTFE, right? PTFE. Now, this material, it is not, that you can't compression press or you can't, that transfer molding or injection molding. Such a material, uh, we can create the article by using only this sintering type of process, right? Just now you have seen now, right? By that way, you have to keep the powder, just the mold are heated one, and just the under the pressure, high pressure, you have to create a small article of the Teflon. You cannot produce a Teflon pipe, long pipe, because of that it is a very difficult to in the extrusion also. If you see the extrusion line for polypropylene, for PVC, for other material, it is not possible to manufacture a continuous pipe of a Teflon. Why this? Because of that the melting point of a Teflon is very high, 327 degrees Celsius. And suppose after melting also, this material have a don't flow. It is not that easily flow this material, and that's why this type of process are used to manufacture. You know, you now you have seen the article, right? By this way, we can manufacture the articles by of this very high viscous material. Uh, this is the Teflon is a that I told you very high viscosity, right? And therefore very high resistance to flow, high viscosity, high resistance, friend, and low MFI, very low MFI because of the higher molecular weight. Okay. Now, friend, this Teflon, so it is such a material that have a lot of that advantage. It have a very lowest coefficient of friction, right? Therefore, I'm working a safe lubrication. This is a all. If you see the Xerox machine, that wheel, white wheel, they are manufacturing by the Teflon only, friend, not other material, only Teflon. Because of you do not required to their oil, right? Because of it is self lubrication will take place. Such a that and it never that burn Teflon. If you see, you keep it on the flame, it is not burning. Okay, there are a lot of advantages of a Teflon. Now I will show you the second video, friend. Just you go through that, and okay, again we will discuss the things. But this,
Sir, can we get the link of that video in the chat box, please?
hello, 1 minute. Yes,
Can we get the link of the video in chat box, please?
hi, yes, you will definitely. Our organizer will give you all my the slides. Don't worry, right?
Not
I
slide,
am
the video
uh,
link, sir, video link.
video link now. I don't know exact remembering that links, but you can just find out the JA, right? JA processors, London, right? On the Google, definitely will get the link there.
JA processor.
Yeah. JA processors, correct. In London,
Okay,
okay.
okay.
Huh. Now, friend, I am showing you that second, that video. Just you go through this, right? You will get some idea about the process.
In this video, we will learn how to operate a compression molding machine. Before starting, we will understand about the main parts of a compression molding machine. To start the process, press the motor on button and lower the bottom part of the mold by pressing up down button. This is required to place the rubber perform into the mold cavity. Once the mold is opened appropriately, stop the motor, so that the machine should not get operated accidentally. Before placing the rubber perform into the mold cavity, it is important to weigh the quantity of the rubber perform. Less quantity may become a reason of under.
See now, these are the preform, right? See now here, preforms are there. Okay. See now they are weighing now 426 gram. Okay. This is called the preform. And now you are just getting the video of the compression molding process, right? You have seen this here. See the machine's parts. This is the holes are provided for the heaters, right? You are passing the heaters here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Now this is a upper mold plate. This one, right? There are the pillars 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 is this side, back side. Now pillar support block. This is a pillar support blocks are here. This one and this one. Okay. Lower mold plate. This is a lower plate mode, right? And the bottom plate with the heating arrangement. See now here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the heaters are here, like this. See here, rod heater. ऐसा रॉड पेन टाइप हीटर होता है, वो हीटर हम लोग डालते हैं उसके अंदर. And due to that, the heat is supplied to this, to this platen, and due by conduction, heat get transferred to the board. See now the cavity is here. Here is a core is here, right? Male mode and female mode, right? 1 minute, 1 minute. So friend, this is a basic array about this is a panel here, right? This is all they are showing the knobs. Here the temperature you are, here the current kitna flow hota hai. Counter is here, right? These are all the buttons we can, that this emergency button is here, right? And we're just taking that this is कौन सा stroke है ये, up stroke या down stroke? Hello? Who will tell me it is a upstroke or downstroke?
It is upstroke.
Yeah.
To start the process, press the motor on button and lower the bottom part of the mold by pressing up down button. This is required to place the rubber perform into the mold cavity. Once the mold is opened appropriately, stop the motor, so that the machine should not get operated accidentally. Before placing the rubber perform into the mold cavity, it is important to weigh the quantity of the rubber perform.
See, this is a
Less
preform.
quantity may become a reason of underfilling of the mold cavity, while more quantity would also become reason for the excess rubber flashes. Check the rubber perform weight specification from the job sheet and ensure its correct weight.
See the 415 to 425 only. Otherwise it will again spoil. The balance.
Once the correct weight is achieved, start the process of placing rubber perform in the mold cavity.
See, they are spreading now.
Placement of the rubber perform in the mold cavity is very important, and it has to be exactly as per the prescribed method. In this case, one piece of rubber perform has to be kept on each cavity of the mold. After covering all the cavities, if there are some rubber performs which are remaining to be placed, then those should be cut in further small pieces and should be kept at the prescribed places. Now we will start the curing process cycle. After getting the signal of cycle start, the machine will close the mold for curing. After mold closing, there will be a degassing cycle, which ensures that there is no air entrapped inside the mold cavities.
See now the flash is coming.
Now the curing cycle will be continued for next 2 minutes, as per the process specification. As you can see, the curing cycle time which was 2 minutes, is about to finish. After completion of curing cycle, the mold will open automatically. We can see, rubber perform has been converted into the desired part shape and now it is fully cured. Now we have to carefully remove the cured parts from the machine, since the mold will be very hot. The next step is to deflash the cured parts.
Sir, this is compression molding, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
The deflashing tool
Okay,
is
sir.
selected based on the flashes to be removed from the cured
Sir,
part.
maybe if it's a YouTube video, you can paste the link in the chat box, sir, please, sir.
Once deflashing is completed, the parts are sent for further inspection, packing and dispatch to customer based on the customer schedule.
Yes. The next is the game card. See the games.
How long is the cycle time?
多少秒？多少秒？跑步多少秒啊？这个直径多少秒？100秒，100 second。
How many of those are we doing?
4,000。
4,000? Oh.
Friend, you have seen that how the that game equipment they are getting different two shape, yellow and black, right? How they get laminated, how they are taking the that molding. First they mold the black and then they are putting the yellow one, right? And this is that frame, a that corporation type of molding, right? Again, I have one video. Again, I am showing you this video also. You just go through this so that you will get the idea.
Hello friends, welcome to Engineering Chemistry.
Yeah.
Today we are learning transfer molding. This technique is applicable for
Hello. The sound is proper. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
The sound is there
Yes,
for the
yes,
video.
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One. Yeah. Okay. Okay. This is the video of the transfer molding frame. Okay. That we have seen this three video of the compression molding.
thermosetting plastic, and it combines the principle of compression molding and injection molding, which we have seen in the earlier videos. Let us understand the process of transfer molding. It consists of upper and lower part of the mold. Then it has extraction pin to open the molds. The mold cavity can be made from metals such as aluminum or alloys such as steel. Then it has plunger at the top. The plunger is used to push the liquid polymer charge into the mold cavity under pressure. Then it has heater to melt the polymer materials or additives which are used for the fabrication process. In this process, the required amount of polymer charge is weighed and inserted into the transfer pot before the molding process. Generally, thermoset plastics such as epoxy resins, polyester, phenol formaldehyde resins, silicone, these are used for the transfer molding process, but sometimes thermoplastic materials also can be processed. This plastic is then injected through an orifice into the mold with the help of plunger working at high temperature. The temperature of the material at the orifice becomes so high that it becomes liquid and quickly flows into the mold. Mold is then heated up to the curing temperature required for setting. And finally, with the help of extraction pin, the molds are opened and the article is taken out. This method is used for the mass production because it has short production cycle and more intricate parts can be prepared. Let us see the advantages of transfer molding. As I said earlier, very delicate articles are handled without any shrinkage or distortion. Intricate shapes can be produced by transfer molding. Article produced is free from flow marks and blistering is almost eliminated. Let us see the limitations of transfer molding. Tooling is costly and complex. It increases wear and maintenance cost. Production rate is lower than that of injection molding. It produces more waste material, hence it is economically costly method. Let us see the applications of transfer molding. This process is widely used to encapsulate items such as integrated circuit, which is used in all the computer parts and electronic items. Then plugs, which has a very intricate shape, are prepared from the transfer molding. Then these connector pins, which are used to connect the hard disk to the motherboard, are prepared by transfer molding. Besides this, transfer molding is also used for manufacturing radio and television cabinets and car body shells. Thanks for watching. If you like, click subscribe for more such videos.
See, Prem, this is the machine here, compression molding, that machine. Here we can also see the video. I'm just showing the video, how the transfer machine work, right? We have seen the many videos, compression, three videos, but you see, I'm just showing you here the second video of the transfer molding process. We just go through this. I will just make a bigger one, right? You can see here.
Hello.
This program
Hello, sir. Can you hear me? Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Sir, all these video link can you share in the chat box, please, or in the
Uh,
PDF link?
no, the video links are, that already I have downloaded video long back. And the link is now it is not with me, but the you will get whole, this, the all slides, right? In that you can run the, that this system because it is already recorded. Don't worry, you will get everything. Okay. Now the present I don't have link here. I have direct video of that. Okay.
Maybe later on, maybe from where you downloaded it, if you get the
No,
link.
it is a long back I have downloaded. Since I
Okay,
am
okay,
teaching in
okay.
this subject in the last 30
Only I
years.
got it a bit,
Uh,
but
yeah, yeah.
if you have some
But
reference which
definitely,
you don't
definitely
know, why I'm
you will
telling
get
you because to find out the internet and a lot of video and which one is relevant we don't know. So if
yes,
possible, if
yes.
you have, then good.
No, no,
Okay,
yes,
thank you.
definitely you will get this, but it is a through this even our that IPA office. Definitely. They are giving the same link to you, don't worry. See here, the transfer moding, right? The thermoset charge you are placing here, right? This is a pot, and this is a mode here. Mode down is a mode, and this is a pot. This is a force or ramp by which you are forcing the material inside the cavity. There is a cavity is there. See now the actual process. Let's just see the again this video. This is the friend, the video of the uh, transfer moding, right? So these are the applications of the transfer moding process. Natural gas industry, they're using this electrical industry that you have seen just now the video also how the plugs are manufactured, hydraulic industry, all the rings and many complex type of articles which is required for hydraulic industry. can be manufactured by transfer molding process. Wind turbine blades. If you've seen that blades, it is not possible on the injection molding machine. That blade with a high physical properties, mechanical properties, tensile strength, impact properties, that blades of wind turbine can be manufactured by this transfer molding process. Medical composites are also manufactured by using transfer molding process. The many part of the aerospace industry, which is the aeroplane, they want all engineering polymers because the part should be durable there. It should be not get affected by the temperature or pressures. Therefore, such a type of parts, aerospace parts, and automobile parts are manufactured by using transfer molding process because we want very complex type of article in automobile as well as aerospace industries. Industrial panels.
Sir, in automobile, which part we are making through transfer molding?
You see the dashboard also. Dashboard, there are many holes are there. Many types of inserts are there nowadays. If you see the foreign car, if you visit the UAE cars, right, then you will get there a number of parts, automobile parts are get, that fabricated by using the transfer molding process.
Really?
Yeah.
Which car? UAE car? Which car? Sorry.
There are, that maybe sports car nowadays, sports car. Hello.
Okay.
Yeah. And
Is there
there are
any
under
cost
there
advantage?
circuits
Is there any
under
cost
the
advantage
circuit
for dashboard?
circuit also circuit. If you see now the electrical
Is
car
there any
nowadays,
cost advantage of transfer molding compared to injection molding?
see what is happening here. You are using here a thermoset material. If you see here the hybrid car, now they are using the hybrid cars there, right? Majority car, taxi car are hybrid in UAE, right? Which are work on the battery as well as on the petrol and diesel, right? Petrol and battery cars are there. If the speed is 60, right? 60, then 6 to 70 speed. The car will automatically, when the speed is increasing above 70, the car automatically goes to the petrol like that. This type of hybrid cars are there, and the many, that the important parts inside the, that car, they are manufactured by this, transfer molding process because they are using the thermoset material there. That I told you, the sheet molding compounds, even all the fiber reinforced plastics, FRP. Hello, this is the only method we can manufacture a very durable article. You can also give the color to that article by using the color resin, right? By adding the pigments in that resin and such a type of, high strength material you can process on this transfer molding machine, right? There are huge type of machines available in the market. People, if you have a time, you can visit the any electrical industry and the industrial panel manufacturing industry. Then you will get the idea. Uh, if again, I would like to add here. If you see the aerospace industry, all the machine parts, right? All the Boeing parts, they're very precious. The moldings are there, friend, and the precious moldings can be done by only the transfer molding because many small things are there, right? Again, you cannot drill, right? If you made the article and if you want to prepare there something over, that if you want to hold, or you want to, if you add to, that something there inside, it is not possible. By drilling again, that article will be spoiled. And therefore, that's why they are preparing that this transfer molding process. Okay, because of the shrinkage will be also not too much here as compared to the injection molding process. Injection molding process have a higher shrinkage as compared to the transfer molding. And the compression molding have a lowest shrinkage if you compare these three process. Bathroom fixtures, car bodies, helmets. These are the different type of atoms. Many atoms, they are maybe hidden here, not they are shown in the applications, but nowadays lot of innovations are there, and this type of transfer molding is largely used in the market, friend. Now we will shift to the different process, that is the injection molding process. Hello, are you getting me, friend? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now we are shifting from this to the transfer molding, that injection molding process. We have completed compression molding process and transfer molding process. These two processes we have completed till today. Now, at this moment, I am going to start injection molding process, friend. Right. If you have any difficulty about the compression and transfer, you can ask me here. I will give time to to share my views about these two processes. If anybody having any question, please ask. Am I audible to you, friend? Hello.
Yes, sir, you are audible perfectly, sir.
Yeah, yeah,
No
yeah.
question.
Yeah. Okay, then we'll proceed to the injection molding process.
Sir, can we get a tabular format comparison of injection, transfer, and this compression molding?
Yes, yes, comparison you will get definitely. I already
Any
shown you this slides. I have also shown you these slides regarding this, you know, just now this one, right? This is a basic comparison. 1 minute. I will just, this slide. This slide will, will show you the complete comparison of the compression and transfer molding, right? But when
Can
you
we?
complete this in the injection molding process, that time also I will again show you the comparison with transfer and injection. Don't worry.
Great, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Yes. See, friend, injection molding process. This is one of the process accepted by the world, right? And if you see at every place, at every industrial, that zone, there are number of plastic industries, and many, that new entrepreneur, they are buying machine, right? If you want to buy the machine, injection molding machine, there are a number of varieties available. Am I audible to you, friend? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Huh. There are a number of varieties are available in the market. See the cost now. If you see the cost, if you see the cost of the injection molding machine, here, friend, the machine start from 10,000 nowadays. 10,000, the basic price, the basic hand molding of that operated machine, right? Then there are a vertical machine, horizontal machine, the size and the shape of the machine is also depends upon the cost, right? And there are a number of companies, in the market. Indian company, foreign companies are there. They are manufacturing the injection molding machines. There are also a very small, machine manufacturer also available in Mumbai, right? If you see the Goregaon and Vasai, Borivali, and there are even Domboli also. There are many, that industry, small industry. They are manufacturing the small machine for you, right? Very small machine. And if you see let me tell you, my student also, the girl student, they are starting the business, their own business, right? Even in kitchen also, in kitchen on the platform, they are just placing their, that a injection hand operated injection molding machine, and by putting a one or two worker operator, they are earning, per day, that just they are taking the, because if you see the large industry, big industry, they are not, able to put again that employee in all these things. Therefore, they are giving the for the vendors, right? And this our girls, right? Those are, that they are working from the house, and they are getting the, their chance to work for the big industry, right? Small items they are manufacturing at home only. The big companies supply them the raw material and the dye, right? Dye means small mold, right? And by taking that mode and the material from the company, they are just, that giving the, that processing at by putting the two operator in house, and they are just giving them, that the good quality production, right? And therefore they are maybe earning, per day maybe 15,000, 20,000 per day by, by giving everything. Such a type of things are happening in the market because of uh, the startup industries, lot of the demands are there. Plastic industries have a lot of demand because if you see the any car, the 50% part are plastic only, friends. See now this new car, electrical car, electrical bike, see the bumpers, dashboard, can I sub headlight, tail light, everything is about the plastic. If interior, all seat cover, they are also plastics. And all these, that many small articles, right? There are number of plastics are there that you know very well. ABS, polystyrene, nylon sheet, nylon double C, nylon 4 and 10, nylon 11, nylon 12. There are number of polymers, engineering polymers. ABS is there, all thermosets are there, right? Teflon are there, silicon are there. Number of polymers they have a use, specific use, right? I told you Teflon, burn नहीं होता है polymer. It will never melt at 200 temperature, 300 temperature. When the temperature reaches 325, then it will start to melt. Such a type of polymers we have. You know that this is a magic material, friend. Polymer are a magic materials, right? Now, I'm starting you this injection molding process, and see this process generally used for thermoplastics. People are saying like that in the market, but I am telling you, this process is also used for the thermoset material. You have to do some small changes in the machine. If you want to, you have to tell the machine manufacturer, I am using this machine for thermoset material. But same machine, thermoplastic machine, you can't use for thermoset processing. Remember this thing. Or thermoset machine, you cannot use for the thermoplastic material. Especially you have to tell the manufacturer, I want machine for thermoset material. And secondly, also you have to ask them, I want such type of design, the machine. Then definitely in India, there are many, that machine manufacturer, board manufacturer. We have a skill, Indian, with all our, that uh, here the manpower is a very powerful, right? And they have a lot of skill. They have acquired, already acquired a lot of skill, and they are giving the good service to the plastic industry. Now, if you see a basic machine is like that, right? Injection molding machine. This is a screw type injection molding machine frame, and this is a very well-known machine frame. right, in the market. What is the principle of injection? If you see the basic idea about the machine, see now here, uh, here this is a nowadays people are using this machine. But before that, let me tell you the basic of the injection molding. Thermoplastics are heated to a melt in the cylinder. Cylinder may be vertical, may be horizontal. They injected into the mold at high pressure. This material, the mold is clamped under the pressure, and the melted thermoplastic are
Hello,
cooled.
sir. Sir,
Huh.
can you hear me?
Yes, yes, yes.
The slide is not changing. Any reason?
The slide, I have changed the slide.
But
Hello.
here it's not changing. Me and my friend, other colleague also observed that same thing.
One minute. 1 minute. Now it is a changing. You just see now. Hello.
No, sir.
No. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Sir, are you there? Hello?
1 minute. Now is it visible? Hello.
Yeah, it's visible. Maybe you can start from starting where we
One
missed
minute.
out.
Yeah. 1 minute. 1 minute. Is there? I have a share one slide. Is it visible to you now, friend? Hello.
Yeah, it's mentioned injection molding process. That slide now.
Correct. Yes, correct. Yes. Now, I'm again going that slide. Let me show you the, that what is the basic process is there. You are heating the material in the cylinder. This material you are pushing by the plunger into the mold. The mold is cooled one, right? The mold is not heated, right? By injection into the mold, it get hardened there, and by hardening, then you have to open the mold. You have to open the mold. After opening the mold, you are getting the aqueous article or maybe hardened article, right? Now, see here, friend, uh, there are number of varieties are there. Machine type, injection molding machine are, see, these are the layouts. 1 minute, huh? There are different type of design configuration. The first one is the horizontal inline, right? The most commonly available in the market is this type of machine is available. Now see here, uh, this is the here is a clamping unit and this is the injection unit, horizontal line. Then vertical lines. If you see here, the clamping here and the injection here, this side, vertical type of machine. Then horizontal lock and vertical injection. See now here, the locking system is horizontal and vertical is the injection. Again, see the fourth type, vertical lock, this one, vertical lock and horizontal inlet, right, injection. See now here, vertical lock and it a horizontal injection. Then multi-unit possible in case of this type of, the structure. Now, how this design of the machine started, right? Friend, earlier they are using a torpedo type machine. Torpedo. Still we are using this type of machine, friend. Torpedo type machine. This is called a torpedo. This one minute. This one, this part, this is a bullet-like things, bullet. This is called as a torpedo. Here is a barrel. These are the heaters on the barrel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the hopper here to enter the material. Here is
Which
the
pointer are you using pointer, sir?
no, a pointer is there. 1 minute. I will again use the pointer. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Hello.
Yes, sir. Continue, please continue.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See now here, you can see here, this is a torpedo here, right? And this is a barrel here, this side. Okay. Now, this is the horizontal machine. And due to there is a hopper is here, right? Hopper is here. You are passing the material here. It is a feed hopper. And it is a piston to come forward and to go backward. Material falling through this hopper throat to this feed section. It's called as a feed section. Torpedo here, there's a bullet type, uh, shape is there. This is the mode here. The heaters are provided on the barrel. Here's the nozzle, right, through which the material pass into the mold. Now, what is happening, friend, here? See, the piston is the backside. Piston means plunger. Now, this plunger, when it come forward direction, the material will pass through this gap between the torpedo and the barrel, inside diameter of the barrel, the inner side of the barrel. Through this here and here, the material will pass through this. This is a cross-section area. This is the diagram is a cross-section, right? This is
Sir,
a,
are you talking about injection molding, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Injection molding.
In injection molding torpedo, generally there's a screw is there, right? Screw.
Yeah. One minute, 1 minute. I
Then
am, I
here,
am, I am telling you the history of the machine. Still,
okay,
this
okay, then
machine
okay, then
is
it's okay.
yes. I am yes. We'll come there. But let me tell you, still the market in the market. If you see the Dharavi or that areas, the people using a very small type of machine, right? Hand operated machine. Such a machine, see, they have a torpedo here, right? And now it is a very cheaper machine, maybe 5,000 rupees, friend, 10,000 rupees.
Really?
Yes. Hand operated, hand operated. This is now horizontal, but now machine is available vertical like this. I will show you this 1 minute. Vertical machine, I will hand molding machine, I will show you. Now,
Sir, if you
friend,
want, if you want to see where we can see this,
uh, you physically,
yeah.
you can see there are many manufacturer, right? If you see the
Okay.
in Chennai also, right? Chennai में है, दिल्ली में है, right? बॉम्बे में है, निरंजन प्लास्टिक्स. There are many
Then
small
Bombay, I am frequently
the way
visiting.
the way machines also available. They are also manufacturing small type of machine. Now, friend, uh, let me tell you here what are the drawback of this machine. What are the advantage of this machine? See now here piston is there. See the material falling this here. Due to the heaters, material get heated here. Now the material passing through when this piston come forward direction, the material passing through this place and this place. There's only gap here and here because this is a block. बीच में block डाल दिया है. That block is called a torpedo. Therefore, this is a round circular one. Abhi material will pass through this annular gap between the torpedo and the barrel. And this annular gap is a very narrow one. Therefore, material has to pass through this. And what is happening? The materials get melted here immediately, and it will come forward here, and through the sprue. This is a nozzle here. So through the nozzle, it will go to the sprue, and the cavity is filled up here. Right. Now, what are the drawbacks of this? Lot of pressure is required here. Lot of pressure because the torpedo is here in front side. Second thing is that if you want to color any the article, the color will not go to uniform on the article. It will get something, matte finish, not very good finish, not completely homogeneous finish. Right. Some are dark, some are faint like that. This is a color mixing is a problem here, friend. And this is a problem, but this machine is applicable for the black type material. तो ब्लैक पे इतना समझ में नहीं आता है, राइट? बट कलर दूसरा कलर रहेगा तो इट विल अगेन अफेक्ट द थिंग्स. एंड the plasticization take place here. Lot of pressure require means energy require, right? And the plastic is not properly plasticize the material. Due to this proper plasticize नहीं होता है. And uh, it is a it is not these are drawbacks of this, right? Pressure require high, material not become a plasticized, and color is not possible in this case. Therefore, they developed this machine, torpedo at the top. Now here, see, there are two machine, twin machine. Here is a one barrel. Here is the other barrel. Here is a mold, right? Now, what is happening here? Here the same thing here, same machine is here. Okay, the material pass through this. It will take a shot like this. The material will plasticize here, and it will gather here in front of this piston here. Therefore, material from this place will gather here. यहाँ पे आएगा. Right. This is a one-way wall. Right. Material will not go here direct in the mode. Material will come here. Right. Due to this action of this piston. Now, what is happening now next? When this will take a shot. See, hopper is only one hopper. Now here, see the piston. When the piston will come forward, this material will go like this straight. It will go to the mold. Now here, plasticization is very good because the material coming from this and it going like this, and again here get mixed. Again this will push here. Therefore, plasticization is better, but lot of energy is required. See the energy is here and the energy is here. Double cost बढ़ जाता है, double energy जाता है इसके अंदर. Therefore, this also fail. Initially in 19 maybe 65, 63, people are using such a machine. No, there is no that screw type machine that time, but such a type of machine they are using that time. Then after development, again they started this type of machine. Then here is the screw type, machine is there, injection molding machine, and again here is a piston. They are worried about that time only the plasticization. प्लास्टिक का जो ग्रेन्यूल है वो लिक्विड होना चाहिए, उसके लिए ये डबल डबल देते थे पहला. तो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, द स्क्रू इज कंप्लीटली रोटेटिंग हियर एंड द कंटिन्यूअसली द मटेरियल विल कमिंग फ्रॉम दिस प्लेस हियर, यहाँ पे आता था. एंड इसका काम, दिस पिस्टन का वर्क क्या है, जस्ट पुश द मटेरियल, इट विल पुशिंग द मटेरियल and it will go again into the mold. Friend, here is also lot of energy goes in wastage because see now here continuous rotation and again here the pressure here. You are getting a good article, but time consuming, cycle time increase हो रहा है एक आर्टिकल के लिए, टाइम ज्यादा जा रहा है. Second thing, plasticization is good, quality is good, but again the costs increase and energy is increased per article. After that, they realize something is going wrong. Then they developed such a type of machine, reciprocating injection molding machine. And now in the world, this machine is accepted. Which machine? Single screw, hopper, barrel. These are the heaters are here. And such a here motor is here. Okay. This is the motor is here. Now, when the screw rotate by the motor, right? This screw is having a reciprocating action. See here. Reciprocating यानी आगे जाना पीछे आना. Here rotating only one place. It is not आगे जाना पीछे आना. Right? Not going backward, not coming forward. Only one place. Rotating at the only one place. But here the screw going forward and coming backward. This is the only the basic change in this machine, and is universally accepted because there are a lot of advantages of this machine. What are the advantages? Sophisticated machine. Plasticization is very good. Cycle time is very less. Quality of the article very good. There are number of advantages, friend, of this machine, and this machine is accepted by the world. How they start? They start from torpedo, then they start two barrel machine, then again two barrel with a screw, then lastly only one screw, but that screw rotate forward and backward. And this is a that innovation. This is the machine developed by them, and this machine is accepted by the world, right? This machine is called as reciprocating screw injection molding machine. Am I audible to you, friend?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This machine is called as reciprocating type injection screw molding machine. Okay. Now this, when this machine they developed in a 4 configuration. कौन सा configuration? अभी हमने देखा इधर, right? It is just horizontal, right? Mode is here and injection unit is here. But now they again developed this 4 configuration. horizontal line like this. Just we have seen just now. This is the, and most machines, many machines are manufactured by this way only. Clamping unit here and injection unit here. Both are parallel to each other and horizontally. Horizontally. So friend, for general purpose molding, we are using this type of machine. Now, vertical inline machine. Vertical में क्या होता है? This injection unit is at the top like this, and the clamping unit is like this. The mode open this way, like this and like this. Okay, like this mode. And injection take place like this. Now, why this type of machine they accepted? Because insert loaded and over molded component frequently used in the conjugation with the robot industry. See now, when the robot you have to use and you have to use the insert. Insert means आपको कुछ nut डालना है, कुछ metal rod डालना है. You can easily put here. When the mode open, just add here like this and take a shot. It is possible here in this case. Are you getting, friend? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting?
Yeah,
So,
yes, sir.
तो insert is possible in case of a vertical injection molding machine. Market में available है this machine also. Right. Now, horizontal lock and vertical. Generally, these two machines are majorly used, but this is the mostly accepted. If you see, this machine is mostly accepted. This is the only specific application I told you. Insert only. And suppose कोई complex आपको देखो, if you see the Siemens industry, Siemens having this type of machine. There are करीब 24 machines are there. Vertical inline machine. Now, if you see the horizontal lock, this type of lock, horizontal, and the injection is like this. Now, why this? See now here, the injection is in by gravitational force, right? Directly into the split line of the mold, and the free fall ejection occur. Right? यहाँ पे gravity हम लोग use कर रहे हैं. Right? Now, यहाँ पे direct feeding हम लोग कर रहे हैं. And this is more economical actually, because you can save the cost also. All right? Because here, see, horizontal is possible. Here it is a थोड़ा risky है, थोड़ा है ना, it will take a load. But this type of horizontal lock machine are also used in the market. Afterwards, vertical lock horizontal inject. See now, vertical lock like this, and injection is horizontal. Where this use again insert. If you see the if you want to load the insert, it is possible. यहाँ पे हम लोग हाथ डाल सकते हैं. नट डालता है, कुछ आपको होल गिराना है, जो आप इंसर्ट वो आप डाल सकते हैं. तो फ्रेंड, here is multicolor also possible, because of if you want to do the lamination also, you can do by using this machine, right? ये क्या वो अभी हमने देखा just now, yellow and black. It is possible here in this case. Okay, once you mold first and then you add the second one. The friend, then again the fifth type is multi-unit configuration, often manufactured directly to the customer requirement. Example, twin lock systems and inject configuration for the production of case halls. Twin lock system, यानी lock इधर भी है, lock this side भी है, like this. Okay, the moment will be injection. This is also possible as per the customer requirement or design. The injection molding machine can be fabricated by the injection machine manufacturer. Any question here, friend? Hello.
No, from my side, sir.
Okay, thank you. So, friend, see now, I told you The basic principle of injection molding is that thermoplastic are heated to the melt in the cylinder. Cylinder means barrel. Then they injected into the mold. That is the die. Generally, die, we are talking about the extrusion. Mold, we are using word is used for the injection. Okay. At high pressure, the mold is clamped under the pressure. See you have seen the clamping unit. The melted thermoplastics are cooled and the part is ejected. This is the basic principle of the injection molding process. Now, we can now study how the machine is there, right? Injection molding machine. The machine is divided into three parts. कौन सा part? Clamping unit, then mold, and then injection unit. Remember this thing. The any machine, injection machine, divided into three parts. Injection unit, mold, and the clamping unit. The clamping unit, which is holding the mold. यहाँ पे मोल्ड को रखता है एज ए टाइप ऑफ इंजेक्शन. जब ये इंजेक्शन होता है तो मोल्ड को वो क्लैंप के अंदर पकड़ता है. Now, we will see now the parts of the injection molding machine. Friend, it is a very important topic. Are you with me all? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, friend, see the injection unit is here. There is a mold and this is a clamping unit. This whole is completely clamping unit. Therefore, generally, machine divided into two parts. One is clamping, second is the injection unit. Clamping unit and injection unit. Clamping unit के अंदर ही मोड आ जाता है. Therefore, now what is a mode? Mode is nothing but it gives the shape to the article. That is called as a mode. Very simple. Here the cooling line is provided. मोड के अंदर क्या होता है? इधर कूलिंग देते हैं हम लोग मोड के अंदर. नाउ कूलिंग कहाँ देते हैं? कूलिंग इधर भी देते हैं, इधर हॉपर को. ये थ्रोट ऑफ द हॉपर, यहाँ पे कूलिंग ऐसा स्प्रिंग जैसा कूलिंग होता है. इनलेट एंड आउटलेट. ओके, स्प्रिंग जैसा होता है वो थ्रोट को. हॉपर टू पुट द मटेरियल, to insert the material. This is the barrel. This is the heaters. 1, 2, 3, 4. These heaters are there to heat the barrel. Here is the motor. This is the mold. Here is a cavity and punch. Core and cavity. Female mode and male mode. These are the ejector pins. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a movable pattern. This is a movable pattern. ये pattern इधर भी आते हैं, इधर भी जाता है, इधर भी आता है, इधर भी जाता है. This is a fixed pattern. This is also fixed pattern. Therefore, there are two fixed pattern. This one and this one. This is a movable pattern. ये मूव होता है इधर and इधर, बस इतना ही. The half part of mold, the core side, is get fixed to this movable pattern. उसको नट से फिक्स करते हैं. Now, the cavity is here. It is get fixed to this fixed pattern. There is a nozzle here. Nozzle. The screw is here. Screw. The sprue is here. Sprue. This is a basement for to move injection forward and backward. Platform. What is platform? These are the tie bar. This is 1, 2, 1, 2. There are 4 tie bar to hold this platen, movable platen, fixed platen. Any question here, friend? Any question in the design of this?
Sir, which type are you talking about? Long one, small one?
What?
Sir, there are tie bar, small one and long one.
No. This is a long one. It's called a tie bar.
Okay, long one tie bar.
Yes. जो है ना इधर देखो यहाँ पे. There are 4 tie bar. 4 tie bar.
Okay.
Yes.
What is the purpose of tie bar?
Tie bar to hold the fixed platen, and also it will give movement to the this one movable platen. इसके ऊपर भी स्लाइड होता है ये. ऐसा this one
Okay.
स्लाइड होता है. कौन सा? ये मूवेबल पैटर्न. देयर आर 4 होल, राइट. पैटर्न कैसा होता है? रेक्टेंगल शेप होता है और उसको 4 होल होता है, राइट. तो वो इसके ऊपर क्या हो जाएगा? उसका मूवमेंट होता है इधर इधर. ओके, दिस इज a movable pattern. It is the half part of mode is get fixed to this movable pattern, and half part of mode is get fixed to this fixed pattern. There are 2 fixed pattern here, this one and the last one, this one. And there are only 1 movable pattern. Okay, to open the mode. जब मोड ओपन होता है वो ये ऐसे रहता है इधर. But this pattern will move here. Are you getting me, friend? Hello?
Yes, sir, we are getting there.
Yeah. See, here is a screw is here. Screw rotate clockwise direction. Yeah, anti-clockwise. Hello? इंजेक्शन मोल्डिंग मशीन में स्क्रू जब घूमता है, it will rotate anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise. The screw rotate like this, anti-clockwise, and coming backward direction. And it will prepare the shot here. यहाँ पे shot prepare करता है वो. And when it will push the material, when the shot will go from this place to here, sprue runner and gate, and in the cavity, when the screw push the material from this place to here, therefore this screw rotate anti-clockwise and prepare the shot here. आगे material लेके आता है, and this material can be push. ऐसा push, simply push करता है. That time it will not rotate. It will not rotate that time. When the material goes injected into the mode, that time there is no single rotation of the screw. Whatever the shot prepare here, that can be pushed by the screw into this mode. You will get idea. I am showing you many things here about the injection. Now I am going to talk on 4 to 5 lecture only on injection molding process and injection molding machine. By only this, small period of time, you will not get idea. But now when you will see the multiple things, then you will be expert in the injection molding process and machine, friend. Don't worry. We have a many slide for this injection molding machine, and I will show you all type of things here. Therefore, you should be interact with me. That is a better to understand. Suppose somebody not getting the meaning of that, by asking you a question, he will also realize the answer. Therefore, you have to interact with me. Then you will get more and more ideas. Now, friend, we have seen the principle and different layout of the injection molding machine, right? See, this is I started from the history. The drawback of this, no plasticization. तकलीफ होता है, इधर ग्रैन्युअल आ जाता है कभी कभी, क्योंकि इधर से बराबर मेट नहीं हो रहा है. इधर मेल्ट होता है इधर इधर, पर एनर्जी बहुत जाता है इधर, एनर्जी बहुत जाता है, कॉस्टली पड़ता है, दो दो डिजाइन करो और साइकिल टाइम इंक्रीज, जो 2 मिनट में होता है वो 4 मिनट लेता है. हियर इट इज अ वेरी गुड मशीन, and that this machine now we are going to study a completely, that how it work, what are the drawbacks, what are the limitation, and everything about this machine. And this machine is called as reciprocated type injection molding machine. Okay, now this is the same machine, reciprocated type injection molding machine. This is a injection unit. All right, we will cover now every part of the injection molding machine: screw, barrel, heaters, hopper, throat, motor, there are hydraulic systems, how it work, everything. Here is a nozzle, then cushion, every part of the machine, how the machine work, what are the problem in the machine, what are the problem facing by the operator. We are going to study each and every part and each and every function, each and every, that the causes and remedies of this machine, friend. Don't worry, I am with you. Tomorrow we will again start this freshly, this injection unit and clamping unit. We have a multiple things in your hand. Don't worry, we have a 3-4 lecture here for this injection molding process, and we'll cover thoroughly this part, because this part is majorly used in the market. And if you ask me any damn question, I will give the answer to you. Don't worry. Okay, but you have to ask question to me. Then you will get more and more ideas.
Sir, can we get your mail ID or phone number? Because if any doubt, I can ask you, sir.
Yes, you can take my number, 9821
Maybe you can text or okay. Tell me, sir.
No, no.
9.
9821
Yes, sir.
986
Yes, sir.
124
9821. Can you
986.
please?
Again,
986.
again, I'm telling you. 9821
Yes, sir.
986
Okay.
124.
124.
Yes, yes. Okay,
Thank you,
okay.
sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, we will meet friend tomorrow. Don't worry. But if you interact with me, then you will get more ideas. If you ask me question, then I will able to tell
Sir,
you.
definitely, we are going to ask many questions, sir. Definitely, sir.
Yeah. And don't accept blankly. You have to
Sir,
discuss.
one more thing,
Then
sir. While
hello.
you told me that video link, which YouTube I have to search, which JP London, what you told, I forget.
ये कुछ ये AJ कुछ AJ.
AJ Processing London.
Yes. Processing machine manufacturer.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. We will meet tomorrow, friend. Good, good night now. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Yeah. Bye.